To create a simulator fault, first choose a folder in the Modules page to store the simulator module. Here we choose the Petrol System folder. Click on the plus icon to create a simulation module. Click Add to save the module. Now we can customize the simulation. We can add a fault to the engine. And write a fault description for the work order. If you leave this field empty, then the work order will not be shown in the simulator. You can also control which tools will be available in the simulator. If you want the system to automatically evaluate the student performance, make sure the automatic evaluation option is set to yes. Click OK to save the changes.